Hi, my name is Philip and I'm the co-founder of a new company called Sideboard. 2 years ago, a couple of friends and I were looking for ways that we could help our aged parents stay more easily in touch with their friends and family and also benefit from being connected to the internet. Because we live many miles away from our parents, what we needed was a system that they could happily use on their own, but we also wanted to be able to provide remotely some support to them in the general management of the system, and also help protect them from some of the dangers that can be inherent in using the internet. We took a look around at what was in the market both here and in the US, but couldn't find anything that really did exactly what we wanted. Specifically, we couldn't find anything that had that remote management capability. So we took a deep breath and decided to see if we could develop such a system ourselves. And I'm glad to say we have, and it was finished this summer. What we've developed is a system that has 4 key elements. The first is a recycled laptop that comes delivered, reprogrammed for that user, all set up, tested, email account set up, all of that sort of thing, just ready to go. The second is on the web there is a dedicated home page for each user which contains links to their favourite sites and also to their email system, which it logs on to automatically. That email system is very easy to use. It's been developed specifically for the elderly, and like all other aspects of the system can be managed remotely by the supporters. The fourth aspect of the system is a secure website for the supporters where they can go to one site and be able to access and manage all of the aspects of their user's system. So that's the overview. Let's take a look at how the system works, and we'll start with the user homepage.
When the user switches on their laptop, it will automatically connect to the internet and go to their home page. Contains 2 sets of links. The top set are linked to their sideboard services such as the email. The email system has been developed by Sideboard's partner Paw Mail, especially for the elderly and the vulnerable. It is very easy to use and the text size can be easily changed for those with impaired vision. To protect the user from spam and other unsolicited mail, the supporter can set the system so that only mail from approved contacts goes straight into the user's inbox, with the rest of it being put in a holding tray until verified by the supporter. The user's email account can be actively managed by the user's supporters, including new contacts and other new address books. The photo album is also managed by the supporters, and in addition to any photographs emailed to the user from the authorised contacts can be automatically added to the album. While we are here, let's look at the supporters side of the email system. This is where the supporters can configure how users' email accounts operate, including setting the skill level of the user and how the mail can be handled. For example, here is set so that any incoming mail from the unknown contacts is held until it is checked by the supporters. If this setting is used, then the email can be automatically sent to the supporter, notifying them that there is mail to be checked. The second set of links are linked to the user's favourite websites. These links are maintained by the supporters and can be easily added or deleted from the supporters portal. This is the home page on the supporters secure portal for managing the user's services. This area shows the connection status of the user's laptop and any other Sideboard devices. Along the bottom are links to the supporters sections of users' applications and devices. Including the email system we saw earlier. And the section controlling the user's home page. The portal can be accessed and managed from any browser, meaning you can always help even when you can't be there in person.
Well, I hope that all made sense. You can find all of the details on the system on our website. Also on that website you can see a couple of other pieces of equipment that we can provide for connection to the user's home. One of them is a video phone which works on Skype and can be called therefore by any Skype enabled device. And the second is the CCTV camera, which has within it a very powerful processor and some motion detection software, which means it can be programmed to send alerts to the supporter if, for example, there have been no movement detected in the user's home before, say, 10 o'clock in the morning. Finally, just a quick word on the laptop choices. The standard package is that we will reprogram one of your old laptops, including putting on it a new operating system which runs very happily on even older pieces of equipment. The second option is if you're happy to use an existing laptop or PC as it is, then we can send you the details of a very simple configuration change to make to that laptop or PC, which will then connect it to the Sideboard system, and that will then give them all of the benefits that you've seen, including the email system and the user home page, etc. Or the third option is if you don't have a laptop or a PC that's available for use, then we can source a recycled laptop for you and program it up for your user and send it to you ready to go. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.